Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lower the volume on Google Meet while you are in a meeting. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser and log into your Google Meet account. Now go ahead and join into a meeting or start a new meeting. Once you're in a meeting, if you'd like to lower the volume of the person that is speaking, then remember that you won't be able to do so. The only thing that you can do is simply mute or unmute by clicking on this microphone option. Once you click on this turn off microphone option, and you'll be able to mute your voice while in a meeting. To turn it on, simply click on that one more time. And as you can see that I turned on the sound for the meeting. Similarly, you can also mute and unmute other participants. If you don't want to be disturbed at a moment, that is the only way you'll be able to control your volume or your audio in Google Meets. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If you was going ahead, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us are seeing about this more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.